Good day everyone, my name is Aiman Hakim and today I will be presenting my topic titled Application of Modern Technologies to Reduce Environmental Impact and Enhance Sustainability in the Chemical Manufacturing Industry. This presentation is based on my previous analysis of a chemical manufacturing plant where I examined the industrial process, the chemical risks involved and the environmental impacts associated with chemical production. In the chemical manufacturing industry, production process involves the use of hazardous chemicals, large amounts of energy, and complex industrial equipment. While these processes are essential for producing products used in our daily lives, they can also contribute to environmental problems such as air pollution, water pollution, hazardous waste generation, and high energy consumption if they are not properly managed. Therefore, in this presentation, I will first provide a brief overview of the chemical manufacturing process and its main environmental issues. Then, I will explain how modern technologies, specifically artificial intelligence, which is AI, and the Internet of Things, IoT, can help reduce environmental impacts, improve operational efficiency, and support sustainable industrial development. So, let's begin with a brief overview of the chemical manufacturing process. Before discussing the technologies, it is important to understand how the chemical manufacturing process works. The process begins with the receipt of raw materials, where different chemicals are delivered to the manufacturing plant and inspected before use. These chemicals are then stored in designated storage areas under strict safety conditions to prevent leaks, contamination, or unwanted chemical reactions. Next, the raw materials are transferred to the production area where they are mixed in specific proportions and undergo chemical reactions inside the reactor under controlled temperatures and pressures. Once the reaction is complete, the desired product is separated from any unwanted substance or byproducts before moving to the packaging stage. Finally, the finished products are packaged for distribution, while any wastewater, hazardous waste, and other byproducts generated during the process are sent for proper treatment and disposal. Although this process is essential for producing many chemicals products used in our daily lives, it also creates several environmental challenges. These include air emissions, chemical wastewater, hazardous waste generation, and high energy consumption. This environmental impact make it necessary for industries to adopt modern technologies that can improve efficiency while reducing pollution and supporting sustainable manufacturing. Based on my analysis, the chemical manufacturing process creates three major environmental issues. The first issue is air pollution. During production, toxic gases and volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, can be released into the atmosphere. If these emissions are not properly controlled, they can affect air quality and pose risk to both workers and nearby communities. The second issue is water pollution. Chemical manufacturing produces wastewater that may contain hazardous substances. Without proper treatment, this wastewater can contaminate river, aquatic ecosystems, and surrounding environments. The third issue is hazardous waste generation and high energy consumption. Hazardous waste produced during manufacturing must be handled and disposed of safely to prevent environmental contamination. At the same time, equipment such as reactors, pumps, and processing systems requires a large amount of energy, increasing both environmental impact and operational costs. These environmental issues highlight the importance of adopting modern technologies to improve sustainability in the chemical manufacturing industry. After identifying the major environmental issue, the first modern technology that can help address this challenge is artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is capable of analyzing large amounts of operational data collected from the manufacturing process. By using this data, AI can identify abnormal operating conditions, predict potential equipment failures, and recommend the most efficient operating parameters before problems occur. One important application of AI is predictive maintenance. Instead of waiting for equipment to fail, AI continuously monitors the condition of machines such as reactors, pipelines, and pumps. When signs of wear or abnormal performance are detected, The systems alerts engineers so that maintenance can be carried out before a breakdown or chemical leak occurs. AI is also used for process optimization. It can automatically optimize operating conditions such as temperature, pressure, and chemical dosage to maximize production efficiency while reducing energy consumption and unnecessary emissions. As a result, AI helps reduce air pollution, minimize hazardous waste generation, lower energy usage, and improve the overall sustainability of chemical manufacturing operations. The second technology is the Internet of Things, or we call IoT. IoT uses smart sensors installed throughout the plant to continuously monitor important parameters such as gas emissions, wastewater quality, pressure, and temperature. Whenever abnormal conditions are detected, the system immediately sends alert to operators. This enables quick, corrective actions before environmental pollution or equipment failures become serious. Real-time monitoring also improves environmental compliance and enhances workplace safety. This diagram illustrates the relationship between industrial process, environmental problems, and technology solutions. By combining AI and IoT, industries can continuously monitor operations, optimize production process, reduce pollution, minimize waste, and improve energy efficiency. Ultimately, these technologies support sustainable manufacturing while maintaining productivity and environmental compliance. The implementation of AI and IoT offers several important benefits. Environmentally, they reduce pollution and hazardous waste. From an industrial perspective, they improve productivity and reduce maintenance costs. In terms of safety, real-time monitoring helps detect leaks early and prevents major accidents. Overall, these technologies contribute to sustainable industrial development by balancing economic growth with environmental protection. In conclusion, modern technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things (IoT) play an important role in reducing environmental impacts in the chemical manufacturing industry. AI improves process efficiency through predictive maintenance and process optimization, while IoT enables continuous real-time monitoring and faster response to environmental risks. Together, these technologies help industries reduce pollution, conserve resource, improve operational efficiency, and achieve long-term sustainability. Thank you everyone for your attention. That's all from me. Thank you.